It's doing the right things consistently at a high level. That's really the key. It's just the little extra work that you're putting into whatever you're doing. You're not going to see it today. You can't work on your scripts as a salesperson and be the perfect sales guy that night. But if you do it day in and day out, at the end of the day, you're going to win. You know, nobody was born perfect or the best at anything. And the greatest of the greats, they have baseline talent, and then it was the hard work and the iterations. That's the difference maker. Hi, I'm Steve Rovithis. I am the CEO and founder of Rovi Homes. I got into real estate back in 2006 as an investor, and I had the opportunity to pick up a multifamily and kind of get the real estate bug. After I purchased one property, I wanted to buy more. And I went and got my license, bought a second property, bought some sales books, bought some real estate books, and started to realize I could help friends and family do it as well. And I asked my wife if I could quit my job, and she said yes.
Teamerages in the country.
Being an entrepreneur, there's a lot of highs, there's a lot of lows, but I control my own destiny. I will bet on myself all day long. All the pressure's on me. I don't need to rely on anybody else. Building business means bringing on great people and developing people around you. But at the end of the day, the buck stops with me, and that's what I love about being an entrepreneur. The one piece of advice that I would give to any other entrepreneur is fail forward fast. Try stuff, fail, iterate, repeat. And that's the same thing that I'm trying to bring over to my kids. I think I could have gotten off to a faster start had I been okay with failing more. My dad obviously came over on the boat and taught me about hard work. So for that, I am super grateful. I also got genes from my mom that showed me empathy. I've got a brother, 5 years difference in age, who's always been supported even though he was the little brother. I'm super grateful for a beautiful wife who's given me two kids. They are amazing humans. At the end of the day, to go home to a loving family is pretty amazing. We change a lot here at our companies, and I think it's always just 1% better every day. We make some changes, we try it out. If it doesn't work, we can always go back to the way it was. But if we're not trying and failing, we're not growing.